Hi class, it's me, your math teacher Jello. For today's video, I will show you how to solve exponential equation. Kapag sinabi nating exponential equation, the unknown is an exponent. Okay, so paano ba natin isi-solve yung given problem na to? So guys, ang unang step na gagawin natin ay make the bases equal. So yung 1 over 4 and then 8 dapat ma-express natin into exponential form with same base. Okay, and how do we do that? So guys, huwag kayong kakabahan, madali lang yan. So we have here 1 over 4 raised to the x power. So meaning, kapag ganito, automatic, our exponent here is negative. Okay? So 1 over 4, that is actually equal to 4 raised to negative 1. Or 2 raised to negative 2. Okay? But this time, hindi natin gagamitin si 4 raised to negative 1. Kasi kung gagamitin natin yon, and then paano naman si 8 natin? Yung 8, hindi siya ma-express in exponential form with base 4. Okay? As what I've mentioned earlier, dapat same base sila. Gets? Okay. So in this case, we will be using 2 raised to negative 2, right? Okay. So 2 raised to negative 2. And we still have the variable x. Hindi natin pwedeng tanggalin. Just multiply. That gives us negative 2x. Gets? Okay. So, paano ba tayo nag-come up sa 2 raised to negative 2? Or 1 over 4 becomes 2 raised to negative 2. So, class, kung matatandaan nyo, we have negative exponent, one of the properties sa laws of exponents natin, no? Okay, so we have a raised to negative n, right? Okay, so a raised to negative n. So if we have negative exponent, kukunin lang natin yung reciprocal and make the negative 2 positive. Okay? So it will become 1 over a raised to n. Likewise, if we have number, okay, say for example, we have 2 raised to negative 2. This is actually equal to 1 over 2 raised to the second power. So, following our rule, guys, ito, sabi natin dyan, yung negative exponent, okay, papupunta sa denominator natin. Okay? So, ganun din dito, yung negative 2, magiging positive 2 na. Gets? Okay. So, this is actually equal to 1 over 4. Okay? So, ganun lang kasimple. So, ibig sabihin, class, the negative exponent rule tells us that a number with a negative exponent should be put to the denominator and simplify if necessary. So, ito na yung example natin doon. Gets? Okay, so now, yung 8 naman, i-express natin in exponential form with base 2, right? Okay, so this is actually equal to, very good, 2 raised to 3, right? Because 2 raised to 3, if we're going to write it in expanded form, that is 2 times 2 times 2, right? So 2 times 2 equals 4 times 2 equals 8. So therefore, we can actually express 8 in exponential form with base 2. So that gives us 2 cubed or 2 raised to the third power. Gets? And then, guys, kapag meron tayong or nag-come up na tayo sa same base class, ito yon. So same base na sila. The next thing to do ay make the equate now the exponent. So that is equal to negative 2x, right? Equals 3. Okay. So negative 2x equals 3. And then solving for x, we need to divide it all terms by negative 2. By the division property of equality, divide all terms by negative 2 kasi si negative 2 yung katabi ni variable x. And then, we can actually cancel negative 2. So, that is equal to x equals negative 3 over 2. So, class, it doesn't matter if we come up with a negative answer or positive or fraction or decimal. Okay? So that's the answer. X equals negative 3 over 2. So class, kung gusto natin malaman kung tama yung sagot natin, pwede tayong mag-checking. Okay, so let's check. So guys, madali lang yon. So to check whether our answer is correct, we need to plug in or substitute in our original equation. In this case, that is equal to 1 over 4 close raised to the x power equals 8. So guys, pag nag-checking tayo, make sure dapat yung left hand side natin as well as the right hand side are equal to each other. Okay? So, we have 1 over 4 close. Your x is negative 3 over 2, right? So, x becomes negative 3 over 2. And then, equals 8. So, we need to prove na dapat yung both left and right hand side natin ay dapat equal to 8. Okay. So, guys, paano natin isa-solve kapag ganito? So, 1 over 4 raised to negative 3 over 2. So, class, madali lang yan. Yung 1 over 4, we can actually express in 4 raised to negative 1. Tama? Okay. So, 4 raised to negative 1. And then, we still have negative raised to negative 3 over 2. So, negative 3 over 2. Okay, nasundan ba ako? Is now equal to 8. And then, simplify natin. So, 4. And then, negative 1 times negative 3. That is 3. And then, over 2. So, 4 raised to 3 over 2 equals 8. Okay, so ang goal natin dapat maging equal sila. So, guys, dito, nag-come up tayo sa fractional exponent. Okay? Kapag tayo ay may fraction na exponent, ganito lang yan, class. Let's recall. If we have x raised to, let me use another color. Okay. So, if we have x raised to, let's say, 1/2. Okay. Express in, or i-express natin to, kasi fractional exponent siya, magiging, okay, kapag 2 yung denominator natin dyan, that is actually square root, right? Okay. Likewise, if we have x raised to 1/3, this is actually equal to cube root of x. So, see the difference? Okay. So, in this case, since fractional exponent yan, meron tayong tinatawag na rule dyan, x raised to m over n. So, kapag m is greater than n, so ito yon, magiging, very good. Yung denominator na n, magiging nth root natin yan. Okay? And then, x raised to m. Or, pwedeng ganito. Sorry. X close raised to m. Okay. So now, in this case, let's simplify. Okay, so in the case of, by the way, in the case of fractional exponents, the numerator is the power and the denominator is the root. Okay, so we can actually express in this form. Ayan. So, if we have 4 raised to 3 over 2, so magiging, very good, kapag 2, class, yung denominator natin doon sa exponent, that is square root, tama? Okay. So, this is equal to 4. And then, raised to the third power. Okay, how do we simplify? So first, pwedeng ganito. What is 4 cube? Diba that is 64. What is the square root of 64? That is equal to 8. Tama? Or, guys, sinundan ko to. Ayan. And then, kung ito naman, pwede naman yan, equals, let's say, square root of 4, no? Okay. Raised to the third power. Same lang magiging sagot natin dyan. Unahin natin yung nasa parenthesis. What is the square root of 4? Diba we have 2 raised to 3. What is 2 cube? 8 pa rin, right? So, same. So, kahit alin dyan, tama. So, ibig sabihin, yung 4 raised to 3 over 2, that is equal to 8. So, see guys, tama yung sagot natin. Nag-equal yung left-hand side and then the right-hand side. So, meaning, tama yung sagot natin. Okay? So, ganun lang kasimple at kadali. Kung meron kayong natutunan sa video ito, kindly like and share. Thank you for watching.